Now I am going to explain 2's complement of a 16-bit number. Let us take 16-bit number as 5b8z. So we have to divide this 16-bit number as two 8-bit number, that is 8c it can be represented as LSB part and 5b it can be represented as MSB. So before going to the program, we have to store these two 8-bit numbers in two address locations. So for that purpose, let us take two address locations as 2501. It will store your LSB part as 8C. 2502. It will store MSB part 5B. Clear? Now coming to the program, our first instruction is load immediate H comma 25051. That means HL pair will take the address location of 2501. Whatever the 2501 address location stores, immediately it will store in HL pair, that is 8C. Move B comma 00. Why we are using particularly move immediate B comma 00? Because while performing 2's complement of any 16-bit number, there may be, in some situation we will get carry, in some situation we won't get any carry. So by storing that carry, we need some instruction, some registration part. So for that purpose, we are using B register. Initially it's set as a 00. While any carry is generated, it will store as, it will incremented by 1. Again come to move A comma M instruction. That means whatever it will store, accumulator will store 8C value. By converting 8C into binary number, that means we can write 8 as a 10000 and C can 110. Next step is complement A. One thing we have to remember here, initially we are doing operation for LSB part, later we can do operation for MSB part. Why? Because you know the basic reason. So after that complement A, just interchange applying 1's complement, that is instead of 0 we can write as a 1, instead of 1 we can write as a 0. So by converting this we will get 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay. Add immediate 1, whatever by getting by converting 1's complement, I mean by applying 1's complement, whatever the value we are getting, just add one number to that 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Clear? Again this entire number we have to convert into hexadecimal. By converting this number, 0 triple ones means 7, 0 1 1 00 means 4. Again store accumulator, it will store in accumulator. Store accumulator 2503H. That means your 2503 will store 74. This total part for what? LSB. Again jump on no carry. If any carry is there while performing addition here, it will come to next instruction, that is increment B, that is your B will increment it to 1, but we are not getting any carry while performing this addition method. So jump on no carry. If no carry is there, again directly it move to go command. By coming to here, again increment H, that means HL pair will incremented by 1. Initially HL pair is how much? 250, and now it can be incremented to 1. That means HL will incremented to 502. It will store MSB part, that is 5B. Move A comma B, that means accumulator will store sorry, here I think instruction is wrong. Move A comma M. So memory value will store in accumulator, that is 5B. Again 5B we can convert it into represented in binary form. We can write as a 5 as 0101 and B 1011. Again applying complement A, that means applying 1's complement here, you will get 01000101. Add B. So initially we are not getting any carry here, that means whatever initially we are taking here B value as 00, we are not get any carry while performing here operation, so our B value is 0. Again we will get the same value. Now 1010 and 0100. 0100 we can write it as a 4, and 1010 we can write it as A in hexadecimal representation. Again store accumulator 2500. Again whatever the result we are getting here, it will store in 2504 register location, address location here. So this will represent what? MSB part. So by combining MSB and LSB part, finally we can write a result as 16-bit number is equal to A474. Thanks for watching. This is the way converting 2's complement of 16-bit number.